Hello, this is Maria here, and I want to share with you something that usually happens to me. I have a bunch of gift cards, plastic material cards, or any other card that is already done, and probably it's a beautiful ephemera like this one, or something to remember. Somebody special gave it to you. Probably you can keep it, or you want to keep it in your memories, in your junk journals or scrapbooks. So I have an idea to transform this into a pocket with an accordion, because the pockets are one of my favorite and probably your favorite things or elements to add in your journals. Why? Because we are always trying to storage something. It is never too much space to have everything we want. So a strip of these, one of the pages on this block here is called Butterfly Study, and I love it. So I just grab this little piece, and this is what I'm gonna be using. As you can see, this was really a deal. I bought it from $5 at Michael's. So let's start. The first thing I did was, of course, try or have the idea in order for me to explain it to you. So I'm going to explain it to you right now. So I cut that and I start folding the one of the borders or margins. So it's about, I'm going to let you know in this moment. It's about 1 centimeter and 3 millimeters, 1.3 centimeters. So this is what I did. And now I'm gonna cut the height of the card. So first I'm gonna mark here because I don't wanna, make a mistake. Probably I can go on the back because I don't wanna have that pencil coming out in here. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just gonna mark the length of the white of the card in here, and this is what I have. And then I need to replicate the same I have on this side. So I'm gonna try measuring 1.5 centimeters from here on, and this is what I'm going to do. So I'm starting in here 1.3, and then I mark 1.3. You can do it in inches if you want, if it's better for you, but for purposes of the video, it was going to be very small amount. So it was going to be probably 0.3 inches, 0.5 inches. So I don't want to be doing that so complicated for you. And so this is what I have. And I want to make sure that I have the same parts. So I need 1, 2, 3, and this looks a little bit wider than this one. Make sure that you have the same measurements. This is actually 1.4. I need to go back here. It's 1.4 right there. 1.4, 1.4, and then we go here. 1.4 is the first one. Second one, I should have done this since the beginning. And now I'm gonna have, this one is 1.4, same. 1.4 there, 1.4 here. So this is gonna be totally good, totally fine. If you measure and you draw, you're not gonna have any problems ever. Again, this is 1.3 now, so I don't want that line there. It's 1.3, 1.3, and 1.3. There we go. Okay, so now I am going to cut so we can start building our envelope for the card. And this is what I have. And another possibility is that if you don't have the card, that is not a problem, because you can always grab something you like, you know, a piece of cardstock, any other material, and you can use it in your to build your pocket, right? So let's start folding this on this side, and this is what we, anytime you fold, make sure that you match the two borders so it makes you have a straight line. Okay, so let's do the second one. You can always do it backwards, so you go outside like that so you can see the line. That's not a problem. And then you can come back and completely change the whole meaning or sense of the fold. That is not a problem. Actually, this is the right way. We need the figures to be seen from the outside. This is basically what I have, you see? So that's the accordion. That will be the back of the pocket. So I'm gonna go here. I know that this is kind of a little bit larger than the card, but let me do this at the end of the process. I don't want to make any mistakes or anything, just in case I need to have that. And so I'm gonna add the glue on top of the card. So I'm gonna come here. This is water glue. I hope it works. Otherwise we can use silicone or anything you have on hand. Okay, we go here, and basically this is what we have. So let me show you and you'll see. So this is basically our accordion there. Of course it's still not glued in here, in this part, but we need to hold it. So we go here. I'm sorry, I got glue on my fingers. Oh no, not a problem. Okay, that. Now I'm gonna cut the excess. I don't know what is happening with the lights. Okay, that's better. So I'm gonna cut here, trim the excess, and this is basically what we have. As you can see, it's super perfect, and is very useful. And of course I need to clean it, but as this is water glue and that's plastic, this is gonna go away really, you know, 100%. It's gonna be 100% clean, so don't worry that if this happens to you. It's water glue, so yeah. Okay, I'm waiting for this to get dry, and I want to show you how incredible this pocket is. It is so amazing. And the good thing, another good thing about this pocket is that you can put it in your journal, inside your journal, but as we have a very nice back, this pocket can also be removable. So what you can do is pocket inside a pocket. So let me give you some ideas about how to use that pocket, or the pocket we just made. So this is my journal, Celebrate. If you want to check the making of this journal, I did the cover from zero, and it was one of my very first projects for this channel. So you can click here and you can see that link and you can watch the video. Also, I'm gonna link here the making of that embellishment for the spine. And now I'm gonna give you the ideas for this pocket. So you can use a pocket, this is so beautiful. You can use as a pocket inside another pocket. Nobody's gonna not even imagine that you have one pocket inside another pocket. You can also use it just as a pocket, and let me see, and here. So, and just clip it inside your journal like so, using a clip, because as I told you, this is very beautiful. And also you can put it inside another envelope here. It's another pocket. And of course, you can always glue it. I mean, you can go here, for example, and glue it and just have the effect of opening and just put some images or materials inside that pocket. Let's use it. Like for example, I can have that. I can have a lot of stuff inside that pocket. I can have these tags here. So this is really amazing. So that is what we have for today. I am in love with this pocket and I really need to decide where to place this pocket. I would like to have like a little bit of grass or something because that's a cute cow here. So let me see, why don't we just glue it today? So I'm looking for a nice space. What about, I'm just gonna have it on top of this because I just have black and white, and then the red, I'm gonna look for some accents in red, and I'm thinking about having some leaves that I have around here somewhere. Let me see. My desk is so messy right now because I have so many ideas I want to share with you. And I remember seeing oh, here they are. Okay, okay. Oh, wait a minute, don't go away. I just saw the envelope with the things I'm looking for. I don't see them. Well, forget about it. I was looking for some of the leaves I have. I have this collection here, but I have one in red, and that one is the one I'm looking for. Let me just take a look inside here to see if I have something in red. What is this? What is this? Coffee? Can we use this coffee thing? Well, it's not really red, but it is kind of a terracotta or something. And let me see. I don't see anything that I really like. Probably that. Okay, so the most important part is we already have the pocket, and then anything can be good to keep stuff inside here. And you know what? I'm gonna keep looking inside here. I'm not really convinced about that spot there. I like this one more because it has a bunch of music, or probably we can put it like so and then have it opening from here. Let me see. I don't have anything red around here. I don't usually do red decoration, but it's really, really nice. Well, I guess I found something probably here, so this will be like very interactive. And well, I can probably have just the jar inside here, and then with a message or something. And also I'm sorry about the back and forth, but I haven't decided. This would be really nice, but I don't have anything. Oh, here it is. Oh, I can take this one from here, and let me see if it matches with it gives a background or something. And then I'm gonna place the jar here. Well, I'm not really sure because the pocket itself is so nice. I really love it. So I think I'm gonna just clip it on the borders of my journal. This is not gonna fit there. That has nothing to do with that, right? Probably this to keep the milk. All right, so I'm gonna do that. I already decided. And you know what? I have a bunch of those jars. I trimmed a lot of them, and I have them around here somewhere. Jars, come to me, please. And this is a good way to store stuff. Yeah, so here they are. And I'm going to just put those jars inside. And inside each of the jars, I'm gonna have something, and I already have two. This is grass. This is a tiny dog. I'll put probably these two. They're decorated already. And then I'm gonna have 3 of them. Yeah, this is what I'm going to do. And let me just glue this here. I know you like this back of the card, of the pocket. I also love it, but it needs to go here. And what about having a background like the one we use on the accordion? Because see, this is the good thing also about it, because it's decorated. Yes, I'm gonna glue this on top of this decorated paper that I like it so much because of the butterflies. And then you can have a double pocket, but I just want to do one pocket. I mean the one with the card, and I'm happy about it to have it like so. So there, it's really cute. I love it. So that is the final look. And then we have 3 jars. I'm gonna be decorating them in another video. And we have the accordion, so you can keep a lot of stuff in here. Look at how neat it looks. And then we have that on the back. If you want a double packet, that will be probably a secret spot. Then you don't glue this part, you just glue a U shape and you leave this part open so you can stick more and more ephemera and secrets and do journaling in there. Then I'm going to decorate this, or probably leave the spot empty so I can do some journaling in here. So this is what we have so far. Thanks for being here. If you like this video, if you like my content and any other episode in here, just let me know in the comments if you like this idea. If you have some cards around and you're going to make your own pockets with them. And also don't go away without just clicking this little button here and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a thumbs up, and I see you soon in the next new episode with amazing ideas for your paper crafts. See you soon, and let's do a big community about people that have also great ideas here. See you soon. Bye. Bye-bye.